Welcome. Hi everyone. So in today's video, what we're going to talk about is topic Mojo. And before I get into the question finder, which is basically the topic of this video, I want to give a little few details about what is topic Mojo. So I'm just going to jump into that real quick. I'm going to scroll up here. So topic Mojo is basically like a social media and content assistant tool which you can create engaging content for your social media, your website, your blogs. And also you can see in the topic model is the ultimate research tool for any topic. So it can fetch data from all over the web that can help you create engaging content for your targeted audience. And another thing that I like about this tool is that they have the question finder, which it can gather questions about your topics across the web so you can easily understand users' need using the question finder. So that is just a little overview of what topic Mojo is. And now we're going to jump back into the question finder. All right, so this is how you use the question finder. This is one of my favorite parts of this tool is that it goes out there and it finds questions that your audience out there is asking, right? So this is where you want to be. Is you want to be in front of the questions that they're asking and providing them with answers, right? So I'm gonna show you guys how you can use this tool to help grow your business by answering your target audience questions online. And it pulls this data from like Quora, Reddit. So these type of sites is where these questions are going to be coming from. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to type in AI content writer, and you can choose the country, and then you can also choose which language you want there, and then you just hit search. Okay, once it has pulled back the data, it's going to be over here in a box over here, and it's going to show you. And what I'm assuming that this is 267 questions that it has found. So I'm just going to click on here to look at the data inside of here. Okay, once it's bringing back the keywords data, this is what you're going to see. So it has the questions, and the keywords found was 267. And the highest found on Quora was 161. Wow, that is a lot. And then over here in the trend section, what this data here is going to be telling you, I guess, is how trending this keyword is, right? So normally you want to go on an upward trend, right? But see, this has been going on a downward trend here, but it's kind of steady coming back up to upwards trend right here. So you might want to create some content on this because it's starting to gain momentum back again. And this is which very important to know this type of data, because you don't want to create content that is not really trending anymore, is lost interest, or if you're doing seasonal keyword research and you know that these keywords are only popular during the holidays. So we'll just make sure that you keep an eye on the trends also. So we're going to go down here to the search volume. It's going to be showing you how much search volume that this keyword is getting. And it shows you across the months here. And then we go over here to Google. It's going to show you the questions that it found in Google. It's like 73 found. And here's one of them. It says, what is AI writer? How does AI writer write content? What is AI content creator? So you get the point. You know, they bring you back all these questions from Google that you can come in and start answering, right? All right, so that is about it there. Now they do have ones from Quora and stuff, but right now I'm on like a free account right now, so it will pull these questions from Quora. You can see that right there, and Reddit. But this is the basic how you can use this. You just go in and you just type in a keyword, and it's gonna start finding questions around that keyword, and you can just jump in on Quora or Reddit and start answering these questions. First, And then especially if you're one of the first ones to get to that question, it can possibly lead to more traffic to your site, leads, and sales in your business, guys. This is how you can grow your business with Topic Mojo. And I also want to show you guys that they're on AppSumo. They're running a deal. Now, normally this is a monthly fee that you have to pay for something like this right here, but on AppSumo, you can get it for just a one-time payment of $59. Right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave a link in the description, guys. You can check this out if you think it's gonna be helpful to growing your business. Check it out, and the link will be in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.